Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video we're going to talk about setting the scene in your experimental horror film. What you can have are inspirations, just like any of us. I have mine as far as a filmmaker goes in experimental horror. You have yours as an experimental underground, independent, no-budget horror filmmaker and director. The good thing is you can have those inspirations, but only make them just that. Inspirations, not copies. Create your own material to put out there to the world, to the art world, to avant-garde films, and let the public see a new side of art films, underground, experimental, independent, low budget, no budget, instead of copying everything else that's been out on the market. Come up with something new. Remember, there are no stupid ideas. There's always something new to be invented. Anyone who tells you anything otherwise is simply makes no nonsense whatsoever and makes no sense whatsoever. There are no, again, stupid ideas. Come up with your own material. Whatever you might have to put together, do it. And stick with that idea. Go with your own gut instinct and don't listen to anyone else. You can take advice, but advice is free, and that's generally the way it's treated. And don't share your material. Keep it to yourself. There's too many filmmakers out there who want to take it or steal it. All right? So I hope this helps. Shoot on film, keep shooting on film, 8mm, 16mm film, and your vintage movie cameras such as Bolex. And you'll go a long, long way with that beautiful vintage look. All right? Thanks a lot. Hope this helps. Put a like on my videos. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel for Morbid Team Entertainment. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.